Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Connections. This gets you where data controls live. Once there, tap Data Usage so you see both mobile data and Wi-Fi consumption. Make sure mobile data is enabled, otherwise the phone won't track real-time cellular use. While you're here, glance at the billing cycle dates so the numbers match your carrier statement. This first step establishes a baseline and ensures the phone is actively recording traffic for the next steps. Next, tap Mobile Data Usage and scroll to the app list. This shows which apps consume data and how much. Tap an app to see foreground versus background usage and the exact amounts in MB or GB. This explains sudden spikes. If an app is misbehaving, toggle Allow Background Data or Restrict to stop background transfers. You can also enable Data Saver for system-wide reduction. Both methods let you control usage without uninstalling apps, and they preserve essential notifications. Finally, set a data warning and limit so the phone alerts you before overage and automatically cuts data at your chosen cap. This prevents surprise bills. Reset usage statistics to align with your carrier billing cycle so comparisons are accurate. If your phone's totals don't match the carrier, restart the device, toggle mobile data off and on, and check for system updates. If discrepancies persist, contact the carrier since they may count differently. One troubleshooting tip: clear network settings only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.